guys, in this little video I will show you when you take cuttings of big columnar cacti, fatty boom boom, big ones, you know. Sometimes it happen accidents with accidents with even those bigger plants, so you have to cut them, and it's tough when you have a top like this that you shall have upright and for root building when you have a fresh cutting. So I will show you not how to cut it, it's already done. I use a big saw to cut this one, and I want to, it's very horrifying to look at videos like that, so I prefer to not show that. Scary things. But to make them dry up in the wounding surface in the bottom, and to have them upright, it's not so easy because they are heavy, and if you stand them in a pot or something, they have direct connection with the bottom, which means that they never dry up in the way I want, and even the cutting one. So it's very easy that it's come in pathological spores and something, and yeah, who can made diseases, so it start to molding and all that stuff, and then overgo to be rotten. So I use, here you see, here you see, it's a big diggly long here, and I have used bubble wrap round the body. It's a Stenocereus. This is a Stenocereus, and then I take these tight bands around the bubble wrap, tight it so it's not too hard, of course, because it's a living thing here, and then made a bow up, knot it here, so it being like a task, you know, or what do you call it? Yeah, basket. Yeah, and up here, and then a new, and so it hangs here, and it hangs upright down, and that's it. Very, very easy for it to dry up, and you see there, it looks clean and nice, and no heaviness in the bottom. And you see even that I have cut the sides, so the central cylinder is in the bottom, because there is where the roots shall come. So this is my solution for to have them upright down, and they can easily dry out at the cut. Yeah, that was what I want to show you in this little video. So that this is my solution for it, and yeah, I can make an update when the roots come if you want. Yeah, all for now. Thank you for looking, and thank you for watching, and thank you for liking, and no thank you for disliking. And I have to thank my darling Lyn to filming. Thank you, Lyn. And if you don't have subscribed to Lyn's channel, do it immediately, because it's a lot of good stuff there. She has thousands of videos, and it's desert plants of Avalon. There we go. Thank you, and bye.